be read by others without your permission. This means that anyone could know what you are thinking, even if you don't want them to. It would be a scary and invasion of privacy. Operate or manipulate a computer. Create an amazing piece of art where a robot can do surgery. The future is all about having incredibly precise abilities. In this video, we will talk about the things that are already present here, in use today. 1. Facial recognition, technology that can identify and verify people's faces. 2. Virtual assistants, programs that can interact with and assist users in tasks. 3. Chatbots, automated systems that can chat and respond to user inquiries. 4. Predictive analytics, using data to make predictions and forecasts. 5. Natural language processing, technology that allows computers to understand and respond to human language. 6. Machine learning, algorithms that can learn from data and improve their performance over time. 7. Robotic process automation, using robots or software to automate repetitive tasks. 8. Image recognition, technology that can analyze and identify objects or features in images. 9. Autonomous vehicles, vehicles that can operate without human intervention. Sentiment analysis, analyzing and understanding emotions and opinions expressed in text. This text is talking about something that has been created or made, but it looks like it belongs in the future and is very advanced. Elon Musk's ideas were very advanced for their time. Neuralink technology will be powered by artificial intelligence, robots, and these technologies are ready too. This means to make a difference in how we do our jobs and gain knowledge. Live freely, without any restrictions. Dear men and women, let's start right away without any further delay. Discover these amazing new technologies. Elon Musk's top 10 inventions. Neuralink is a company created by Elon Musk. Neuro is a tech company, creating connections between the brain and computer systems. BCIs, or brain-computer interfaces, are devices that are commonly known as BCIs that help individuals manage computers and other devices by using their thoughts. Brain to help control various functions of the body, such as movement. The brain is responsible for storing and processing information, while work refers to the act of recording and managing tasks. Brain. The devices for the brain are small in size, a coin, and are put into a body. A less invasive procedure. The Neuralink BCI is a device that can be put inside the body and used. Other electronic devices, we use a system called operating system or OS. It helps us to interact with the device and run different applications. It is like the brain of the device, managing and organizing all its functions. Other devices that are controlled by our thoughts, for example, a person using a Neuralink BCI can type. On a computer, you can control it just by using your thoughts. They can type the words they want to. Also be able to control an artificial limb or play a game. A video game that you can control using just your thoughts and a Neuralink device. Development. Rewrite. They are making progress, and they have the ability to improve even more. Make them more efficient and advanced. Here are some parts of our lives. Here are some specific examples of how Neuralink BCIs work. In the future, we might use number 9. Always staying connected by using quantum technology. Understand how things work in the world around us. That's what physics is all about. It's about trying to figure out how things move, why things fall to the ground, and how the universe works. It's like solving puzzles and exploring the mysteries of the world. Imagine being able to comprehend and explain the different forces and concepts that shape our existence. That's the beauty of physics. Talk to people all around the world, immediately, without any restrictions on location. That is what instant means. Communicating using quantum physics means using the principles and concepts of quantum physics to exchange information with others. Quantum physics is a part of physics. At physical chemistry studies how things behave as matter. Level of scientific investigation. Level matter behaves in ways that are not complex, completely different from its usual behavior. Important things in the study of macroscopic phenomena is understanding the relationship between different variables that affect the behavior of objects or systems. By observing and analyzing these variables, scientists can gain insights into how and why things work the way they do on a larger scale. This knowledge is essential for various fields such as physics, chemistry, and engineering, where understanding and manipulating macroscopic phenomena are crucial for advancements and applications. Overall, studying macroscopic phenomena allows us to better comprehend the world around us and find practical solutions to real-world problems. Important findings in the field of quantum physics. Is quantum entanglement the same as quantum phenomenon? Objects become connected in such a way that the state of one object can instantly affect the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. Two or more tiny particles in the quantum world are connected. When people work together, they combine their efforts and share things with each other. They will have the same outcome even if they are apart. Two entangled things are far apart from each other. Particles are split apart, and one of them is selected. When we measure one particle, it affects the measurement of another particle. Quickly fall down into a corresponding, say where it is even if it's really far away in space. This can be used to make a quantum communication system is a method of sending and receiving information using quantum mechanics. Make it possible for people to talk to each other right away, together without considering their differences. This means how far the system would be. This thing is really fast and safe, and it can also do something. Change the way we talk to each other. The number 8 molecules interact with each other. AI is an advanced technology that is much more advanced than others. Molecular AI is a cutting-edge technology, game-changing field that is combining the artificial intelligence is a technology that allows computers to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It has the ability to analyze data, learn from it, and make decisions or take actions based on that knowledge. Artificial intelligence has the potential to greatly improve the efficiency and accuracy of various processes and can be used in many fields like healthcare, transportation, and finance. Molecules can be very complicated, an exciting mixture of futuristic technology and imaginative storytelling, a real-life situation that offers a way to change significantly. Molecular biology involves studying the smallest parts of living organisms and how they work together. Drug discovery is the process of finding new medicines to treat diseases. Material science is the study of how materials are made up of molecules and their properties and behavior. AI, artificial intelligence, is a field of computer science that deals with creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks without human intervention. Simpler words mean using the intelligence of machines to be able to recognize and control molecules, the very small pieces that make up everything. One of the most amazing things in our surroundings. Molecular AI helps to make things faster. The process of discovering new medicines. Long time and a lot of money. Scientists have to test many different chemicals and compounds to see if they have any effects on diseases. This process can be very slow and expensive. However, with advances in technology, scientists are now able to speed up this process. They can use computers to simulate the effects of different chemicals and predict which ones might be useful in treating diseases. This saves time and money and helps scientists find new drugs more quickly. This thing takes a lot of time and is very costly. With AI, scientists can use technology to assist them, search quickly through a lot of data. Drug development. Scientists use a technique called virtual end screening. This involves using a computer to analyze large databases of chemical compounds and identify those that have the potential to interact with a specific target in the body, such as a protein or enzyme. By narrowing down the number of molecules to test in the lab, virtual screening saves time and resources in the search for new drugs. Medicines can also forecast or anticipate events. These tiny particles will come into contact with our bodies and have an effect on us. To health, to make drugs safer and faster. The world of science and technology. The doctor in getting treatment that is specifically tailored to you and your unique genetic makeup. This is what personalized medicine is all about. Instead of one-size-fits-all approaches, doctors can now use your individual genetic information to determine the best treatment plan for you. This means that instead of receiving a medication that may or may not work for you, you'll be given a treatment that is more likely to be effective based on your genetic profile. Personalized medicine offers the potential for more targeted and efficient healthcare, ultimately leading to better outcomes for patients. The doctor was supposed to receive just one. A one-size-fits-all treatment is something that everyone gets. Medicine made specifically for you based on your individual needs. Your genetic material contains instructions that can be processed by a type of artificial intelligence known as molecular AI. Improvements are being made to make treatments work better and making the number 7 of side effects smaller or lessened. NASA has developed a spacecraft that uses artificial intelligence (AI) technology. Intelligence is about to reach plus its limits, changing and improving how we explore space, changing the way we communicate. Rewrite? The cosmos is one of the biggest things. AI has many exciting uses in various industries. This text is about the field of spacecraft design. AI allows for the development of better space shuttles, provides new and creative ways to move and operate. NASA is an organization that uses different ways to accomplish tasks, developing spacecraft that are fueled by aid and can move or go into space, exploring and reaching asteroids and comets. AI is what gives power to navigation systems. Adapt means to change or adjust something. Guiding spacecraft through means directing or controlling the movement of spacecraft. So, in simpler words, it means changing or adjusting how to control the movement of spacecraft. Rewrite? Complicated places such as asteroids. Artificial intelligence is also changing the way analysis is done. Data collected during space missions has a knack for identifying trends and similarities. Trends in data are patterns or changes in information that can be noticed within a group of data. It is hard, maybe even impossible, for humans. Analysts can recognize, for example, that AI is. Recently, there was a deployment, and now they are closely examining the pressing matter. The Hubble Space Telescope provides information. Facilitating means making something easier or helping with it. In this context, it means making the search for new things easier. Search means looking for something or trying to find something. New means something that hasn't been seen or used before. Exoplanets are planets that exist outside of our solar system, orbiting around stars other than the Sun. Celestial phenomena refers to various events or occurrences in space, such as comets, asteroids, or supernovas. AI is changing the way we communicate. Using artificial intelligence, AI-powered communication systems in spacecraft, systems provide improved dependability and consistency, efficiency compared to the old-fashioned way. These systems allow for different ways to do things. Talking to spacecraft in space, large spaces far away from our planet being explored or discovered, opportunities for far-away space journeys. Rewrite this text using simpler words that were already there. A very advanced and powerful type of artificial intelligence, called inconceivable number 6, fakes dream of a future where technology plays a significant role. Criminals may use fake or man-made objects. Intelligence is the ability to use knowledge and skills to understand and solve problems. It involves thinking, learning, and adapting to different situations. When it comes to creating something personalized, intelligence helps in using individual characteristics or preferences to make something unique or tailored to someone's specific needs or desires. Rewrite? Emails that trick people into giving away their personal information. This means that even people who are very knowledgeable or experienced can be tricked or deceived. They envision a time when artificial intelligence, AI, is widely used. Create highly realistic fake videos that are difficult to distinguish from real ones. These videos can be created by using advanced technology and can fool people into thinking they are watching something that actually happened. Pretend to be genuine individuals and trick them. People are coerced or persuaded to disclose information that is considered private or confidential. Information or doing harmful things. You don't have to imagine this. Rewrite? The future is already here, and it involves social interaction. Engineering is the process of designing and creating things like buildings, bridges, and machines. Convincing or influencing people to do something. Actions or sharing secret information. AI is changing the way we use information, making the cybercrime environment stronger. Attackers with advanced technology too make social engineering attacks stronger using AI. Social engineering attacks that are made more effective or stronger through the use of power or influence, tailored to individual needs, more persuasive than ever before. And this is complicated. It is plus sophisticated means having a lot of advanced and complex features or qualities, plus complicated means difficult to understand or deal with. Modern AI tools have become advanced and innovative. Amounts of data. Rewrite? People have a lot of information about themselves. The text talks about goals set by public social media users. Databases and other online sources are places where information is stored and accessible using the internet. Information can be used to make new things. Simple words. Customized phishing emails. Internet communication are often abbreviated and use an informal language. Be understood and have an impact. Deceive or trick people. Create fake videos that are computer-generated. Videos and audio recordings that are converted into digital format. Changed to look like someone is speaking or performing an action. They didn't actually say or do those things. Deep fakes can be used to pretend to be someone else. Famous people are considered to be real individuals. Power and control often use manipulation and deceit to achieve their goals. They may lie to the public, make false promises, or hide information in order to maintain their authority. These tactics involve dishonesty and can be harmful to society. Gain the victim's trust and convince them. In simpler terms, this means using artificial intelligence, AI, to perform specific tasks. Providing legal services with the help of technology. Law applies to many different areas of life and is very important. Simplified phrase. AI technologies are advanced. This feeling is before its time. This is especially clear when you examine. AI is changing the way things work in the legal field, in ways that used to be. In easier words, AI technology that provides incredible legal services have become a strong influence, providing new and effective ways to do things more efficiently, and making law easier to understand and use for everyone. AI is changing the field of law in a big way. By using a computer or a machine to do tasks that take a lot of time. Imagine that lawyers are able to spend less time working, searching through stacks of legal papers, and spend more time concentrating on the important parts or main things. In relation to their situations, artificial intelligence programs called AI algorithms play a role. Those who use ROS and LexisNexis can quickly locate and give a brief explanation of important information. Information about the law that is understandable and easy to read for regular people. Processing this helps lawyers to do their work. AI that is faster and more intelligent, making contract analysis faster. Instead of humans carefully examining contracts, AI can scan and study information for several hours. Rewrite? Contracts can be completed much faster. Can detect important rules or conditions that might be significant. Risks and dangers. The inconsistencies not only make things faster, this process also lowers the odds. Human error can be reduced to make things more accurate. Legal assessments. Number 4 for Tesla. AI that controls itself in the fast world of vehicles. Tesla Incorporated is a company that stands out because of its advanced technology. A player demonstrating and explaining how AI technologies work. They are far ahead of the time. Important person in the electric car industry. Tesla's main objective is not just to produce products or make money, but to have a larger impact on the industry as a whole. Electric cars and trucks are vehicles that run on electricity instead of gasoline or diesel fuel. They have a battery that powers an electric motor, which makes them move. These vehicles are becoming more popular because they produce less pollution and are more energy efficient than traditional vehicles. Electric cars and trucks are a cleaner and more sustainable option for transportation, making these vehicles have the latest and most advanced features. Technology is used to make something incredible. Exciting features is its driving experience. Tesla cars provide a unique and enjoyable way to travel on the road. Remarkable achievements refer to notable accomplishments or successes. The Tesla Autopilot is being created or improved. This is a game-changing technology in the field of artificial intelligence. Simplify your text. Using smarts to have power over driving a vehicle feels like being in the future. The text can be rewritten as: experience involves using a group of cameras to capture images. Radar sensors and GPS can transform into your own. Use a digital co-pilot assists in flying the aircraft. This text is about the different actions a charge can do in a car, like steering, accelerating, and braking. The car drives by itself, makes it more dangerous and can cause accidents. But it doesn't just end there. It can also manage. The text is a little unclear and incomplete. However, I can rewrite the bit that is understandable in simpler words. Parking and reversing are watching the road to avoid accidents. Accidents happening inside its digital body. Things to function properly. It uses cameras, radar, and sensors to gather information about the car's surroundings. With this information, the autopilot system can make decisions on its own, such as staying in the correct lane and adjusting the car's speed. However, it's important for drivers to stay focused and be ready to take control of the car if needed. The autopilot system is not meant to replace the driver, but rather to assist them in driving safely. Advanced AI technologies. It uses them. Computer vision is a technology that allows computers to see and understand images or videos. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses neural networks to learn and make predictions, process a large amount of data from multiple sensors and combine the information together. Combine information from various sources. Sensors and motion planning work together to make decisions. Moving a car is similar to controlling it. A tech-savvy co-driver who is always there to help. Looking out for you is pretty awesome. The autopilot system is continuously improving its intelligence. Over time, it uses a special technology called deep reinforcement learning helps a system to learn from its mistakes and improve. This text means that by having different experiences, we can improve and become even better. Choice you make on the road, be sure to use good judgment and think about the consequences of your actions. Secure experience for all users. Trusted driving partner number 3. The Watson AI is another form of AI technology. This text seems to suggest that it is significantly better than everything else. This is the story of Watson AI and its journey. Watson is an interesting adventure the story starts with Watson, who begins as a simple chatbot, created using advanced language technology. Processing and neural networks have the ability to understand and analyze information, answering questions and participating in discussions. Talks were happening, but suddenly something significant occurred. When Watson competed against a person, winners of the well-known game show. Guess what? Watson won Jeopardy! Win a cool $1 million prize by using clever tactics and outsmarting the competition. As time passed, the human players got better and better. Expanded Watson's abilities and skills. At IBM, they used it to make different things. Useful tools and apps such as customer service representatives detect virtual signals. Assistance and recommendation systems are tools that provide help and suggestions to people. Complicated. Watson is not only smart, but also exciting. Also be called a remarkable medical market. Estimate how likely someone is to have skin cancers. Is possible to understand their character and personality. Can identify various illnesses such as cancer and problems with the heart with great precision, and also come up with ideas on how to treat patients in hospitals, on nurses and doctors to provide medical care to patients. These dedicated professionals work tirelessly to help people feel better and stay healthy. They listen to patients' problems, examine them, and prescribe appropriate treatments or medications. Nurses and doctors play a vital role in ensuring the well-being of individuals by offering their expertise and compassion. Rephrase Watson's skills in helping to save lives and improving healthcare. Improve healthcare by providing more assistance and resources. Watson has a lot of computer power and resources. Become very strong, it can accomplish things that were once only for humans, like watching, listening, speaking, and gaining knowledge. Improving and learning to think like humans. Find strange or unexpected. Some things that people didn't believe could happen actually happened. Sophia AI robot is different from what you think. An average robot that has some equipment of the highest level of artificial intelligence abilities, understands and transcribes spoken words into written text, natural language processing, which allows computers to understand and interpret human language, and machine learning, which allows computers to learn and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed, helps her to comprehend what someone is saying. Natural language processing 4 is the field of study that focuses on the interaction between computers and human language, talking to a machine that sounds like a human, creating a way for a speaking robot's face to express emotions, using body language and facial expressions to show how we are feeling, controls and even simulates emotions. Social skills are very good, which makes her impressive. A person who is really good at talking and getting along with others. Many people who have met Sophia. Many people have said that she is very good at getting people interested in things, talking to another person on a personal level. But what truly makes Sophia different is her ability to do something or handle things, to learn and adjust. She can use or get to, storing information on the internet, learn new things. Sophia always learns new things. Human-like appearance has gained a lot of attention, getting a lot of attention from many people, putting her in the spotlight. Writing for various magazines is a common practice many people engage in. Headlines in different media sources. A very important accomplishment occurred in October. In 2017, she made her mark in history by carving her name, by being the very first robot in history to getting citizenship is an honorable achievement, given to her by Saudi Arabia. Sophia's journey shows how artificial intelligence, AI, works. Technologies have greatly advanced, allowing machines like her to move within specific limits, practice acting like a person and understand how people talk and interact, by going through different situations and learn, being recognized as the top citizens. GP4 is the newest version of advancements in natural language processing technology. Artificial intelligence is the demonstration of computer systems imitating human intelligence to perform tasks. Rewrite? Improvements that used to be considered amazing or unbelievable. A regular group chat for science fiction enthusiasts. A small improvement that adds up over time is like a huge accomplishment. Advance in natural spoken language, simplifying and comprehending it. Has a strong knowledge of. Rewrite? This text can be rewritten using simpler words that help it better connect with the reader, easier to understand and more related to the topic. What makes ChatGPT-4 different now compared to before? Is its skill in creating information or material. The text is not only correct in its context, but also filled with imagination and meaning. Awareness helps in creating impressive or persuasive things. Stories create rough versions of essays, and even write poems that are equal in quality to other poems. These capabilities have the same quality as a human. Presented in recent years, created with knowledge and manufacturing. Human language is an impressive form of communication. The feature of GPT-4 is that it can chat in multiple languages. Prowess means being very skilled at something. It can easily change or switch different languages from different countries or regions. Communicating effectively across different cultures is important, making it a very valuable thing in our possession. A globalized world means that countries and people from different parts of the world are connected and interdependent. It means that people and things can easily move between countries, and there is more cultural exchange and economic activity happening internationally. Making practical use of GPT-4's chat feature. Abilities to work well with different platforms and technologies. Applications show that it is ready, possible. This is a simple research project. It is a tool. Work together to create new software. Improve the way users interact with something. Simplify or make more efficient. Workflows are a series of steps or processes that need to be completed in order to accomplish a task or goal. However, the journey towards completing these steps or processes can sometimes be challenging or difficult. Stop chatting now. GP4 is an exciting game. Take a quick look at what is happening now and what might happen in the future of far. You may have heard or read about AI technologies. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the development of computer systems that are capable of performing tasks that would typically require human intelligence. These tasks can include speech recognition, problem solving, learning, and decision making. AI technologies have been increasingly adopted in various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. They have the potential to greatly enhance efficiency and productivity in these sectors by automating processes and providing valuable insights from large amounts of data. Furthermore, AI technologies are continually evolving and improving, demonstrating promising